Welcome. In this video, we want to introduce you to a big new update we have in Badvisor. To begin with, you can now collapse the side menu to have a full view of your scene. This will allow you to check your scene at the actual screen size. We have also improved the UI design. It now looks nicer and is easier to read. But the biggest update is here, between the elements and outliner. Notice that when we click on the outliner, all the nodes are hidden and many parameters are not available. The reason is to make it easier to focus only on the visual elements and not the nodes and animations. Under the scene, I can make my scene transparent, change the background color and update my camera. Like set from view, enable effects, change the lens or add limits. When we click on 3D, we can see all the 3D elements, add new ones, and when you click on the asset, you will only see the properties of the parent. Below, you will see all the materials connected to the model, and you can go through each of them and change them easily. Now, you can also work with your materials even faster. The light section essentially shows the environment map currently connected to the scene. As usual, you can change the map, the intensity, and rotate it. Below it, you can see the lights in your scene. You can also add new lights and modify them quickly. We've also added a tab where you can change how the light will affect your materials. But I will explain this later in a different tutorial. FX is where you can find all the post-processing options, like image processing, bloom, depth of field, and more. Feel free to check out the new updates and let us know what you think. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.